Hello students, this is Anusha from Coral Education. In this video, we'll be discussing about the eligibility of NEET aspirants who want to do it in abroad and the budget you need to consider when you are choosing in various countries. When we talk about eligibility, first important point is you need to be NEET qualified. Because if you are NEET qualified, आप वापस इंडिया आके प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं because you need to clear either next or FMG exam. इसके लिए NEET qualification बहुत mandate है. Next is you need to be 17-year-old on that particular year of your admission by December 2026. Next comes the PCB, that is Physics, Chemistry, Biology में आप लोग का 50% mandatory है. When we talk about the budget-friendly countries, first comes the Russia. क्योंकि काफ़ी साल से यानी कि 1990 onwards Indian students started going there. हर साल 8 से 10,000 students जा रहे रशिया. Particularly all are government university and it follows the NMC guidelines and WHO listed. So students can practice anywhere outside also by giving it. They want to do pursue their masters in USA also. ये assembly clear करके दे सकते बच्चा. PLAB they can go to UK also. So there are completely recognized and it's a well developed country with advanced facilities and we have a very good rapport. So budget, if I can talk about Russia, it goes between 25 lakhs to 50 lakhs. So even 25 lakhs में आप लोग का colleges, there are 20-25 lakhs में भी colleges बहुत अच्छा मिल जाता है. So in Russia, how it works out is आपका entire duration of the course it will be 6 years, that is 5 years plus 1 year internship. जहाँ आपका इंडिया में 4.5 years plus 1 year होगा. So that 6 months will be extra. Similar to all the foreign students who are studying that, they need to come and give an entrance exam followed by 1 year internship. So entire duration, if you want to consider to start your MBBS journey, it is gonna be 7 years. The next country is Georgia. It's again a favorite destination among Indian students because most of the people around there, they speak English. तो आप लोग का अलग language सीखने का इतना ज़रूरत नहीं है. Of course, all the courses will be English medium only, but आपका community भी English में ज़्यादा मिलेंगे आपको. Second, budget also, it is not too high like Indian private universities में आपका ज़्यादा हो जाता है. When I talk about Georgia, it will cost you somewhere between minimum 35 to 60 lakhs. So Georgia again follows the proper NMC guidelines. Here it is again 5 plus 1 year आपका duration of the course होगा. But when I talk about the accreditations, license to practice, उधर usually they used to give as a junior doctor. After that, you will be eligible to practice over there. So that is more than enough for a person to come and register themselves in the FMG exam and they can go ahead with the internship in India. Kazakhstan. It is again a beautiful city and safe country. Many Indian students consider over there because there are universities which are ranked equal to AIIMS over here. यानी कि आपका उधर कज़ाक नेशनल मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी विच इज़ इन आलमाटी विच इज़ very much on demand among the Kazakh students itself. So the Indian students get an opportunity to get a seat over there as because of the budget. It comes again between somewhere 35 lakhs to 50 lakhs में आपका सारा college fees, tuition fees हो गया, hostel, mess, everything will be included in that. And you will get an Indian mess with both South Indian and North Indian food facility will be available. And near to 10,000 international students overall, they used to come and take the admission in Kazakhstan. So it's again one of the favorite destination. Uzbekistan. This is one of the favorite destination for Indian students post NMC guidelines has come into the picture. Because as per NMC rule, when you are going to pass out, you need to have a license to practice also before you go ahead with the FMG exam. तो उसके लिए अलग कंट्री में अलग अलग एंट्रेंस देना होगा. Be it रशिया में आपका घोष देना होता है. Even in Georgia or Kazakhstan, you need to appear for the separate licensing exam. You need to clear it. But in Uzbekistan में क्या है? When you complete your entire course, there is no separate exam required for the license. So क्या हो जाता है? It becomes easy for the students. That is why the students started considering a lot. एंड इफ यू कंसिडर द बजट इट गोज अराउंड 35 to 40 lakhs बजट आप लेके जा सकते हैं. सबसे पास हमारा नेबरिंग कंट्री नेपाल एंड बांग्लादेश. दिस ऑल्सो द स्टूडेंट्स कंसिडर बिकॉज कम्प्लीटली इंडिया जैसा ही कैरिकुलम हो गया आपका 4.5 साल प्लस 1 ईयर है. सो इट प्रॉपरली फॉलोज द एनएमसी गाइडलाइंस एंड हिंदी स्पीकिंग आपका फैकल्टी सारा हिंदी होगा. सो लैंग्वेज बैरियर आपको नहीं मिलेगा जैसा रशिया और अदर कंट्रीज में वो फेस कर सकते हैं आप लोग, कजाकिस्तान, किर्गिस्तान एंड ऑल. हियर देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट. सो इट बिकम्स अ फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन. Only challenge when I talk about Nepal, आपका बजट ऐसा है, it goes above 60 lakhs usually आ जाता है. But still, it is still affordable compared to the Indian private colleges. So that is the reason again Nepal many students used to consider. Next comes the Bangladesh. Bangladesh आपका बजट reasonable होता है, but only condition when I talk about Bangladesh, they don't accept a gap year. लाइक गैप ईयर 1 साल 12th के बाद आपका 1 साल ही गैप होगा, उससे ज़्यादा होगा तो यू वोंट बी एलिजिबल इन बांग्लादेश. But when I talk about the budget, as I mentioned, it comes around 30-35 lakhs you can consider. And past few years, the students are considering Timor-Leste, which is again a beautiful place which has the border of Philippines and thoda Australia ke upar hai. Here also Indian students are going. Why? Because again it completely follows the NMC or WHO recognized यानी कि 4.5 year plus 1 year course, and more mainly the standard of the curriculum, everything they have kept according to the AIMS level, so that if you observe past few years the students are considering Timor-Leste option also. I hope this video would be more informative for you. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe. Thank you.